Do you have a sleep apnea, feeling tired during the day? Sleep apnea is a common sleep disorder where patients have abnormal breathing pattern during sleep. They pause during breathing or breathing gets very shallow. Breathing pauses last between 10 to 20 seconds or more. Sleep apnea causes sleep disruptions as a result of reduced oxygen level in the blood. Yoga is a remarkable natural remedy to lessen the severity of sleep apnea. Sleep apnea is essentially an advanced form of snoring which disturbs the sleep. Losing sleep can lead to a plethora of other problems including headaches, high blood pressure, weight gain, and even heart diseases. In this video, I'm going to teach you 3 breathing practices which is very effective for managing and curing sleep apnea problem. If you practice these 3 breathing practices which I'm going to explain in this video regularly on daily basis, you'll find your muscles strengthen around your throat area, tongue area, and also the respiratory system gets strengthened. So do practice every day these 3 breathing practices and you see the miracle of yoga in curing your sleep apnea problems. So let's start. The first breathing is dog breathing. You sit in Vajrasana preferably. If you have a knee pain, you can sit in any other posture. Just spread your 5 fingers in front of the knees. Inhale, then as you exhale, stretch your tongue out and keep exhaling continuously in this mudra where you are stretching your tongue out, and focus on the movement of your abdomen continuously. Try to stretch your exhalation 20 to 30 rounds in one go without inhaling again as shown in the video. Complete one round of 30 breath and we'll do the breath retention. Slowly inhale completely. Hold the breath inside for 5 seconds and then slowly start exhaling and relax yourself. We'll do the second round of dog breathing. Same way, just inhale and keep your 5 fingers spreading and then stretch your tongue out and start exhaling continuously by keeping your tongue out. Keep exhaling. Try to stretch more than the first round, 30 to 35 breath. If you are not able to do this much in the first time, do as per your comfort, probably 15 to 20 breath per round. Try to repeat like this 2 to 3 rounds of dog breathing. Make sure you keep your tongue stretched out, and after completing the round you do the breath retention just for 5 seconds. Breathe in, hold the breath inside and then slowly exhale and relax yourself. Next breathing we are going to practice is rabbit breathing, where you drop your elbows and your hips are little off the heels. Take a measurement of your chin 1 palm distance and then slowly take your tongue under your lower lip. Keeping the tongue under the lower lip, then inhale and start exhaling the same way how we did it in the dog breathing. Keep exhaling continuously for 20 to 30 rounds in one go. This time you are focusing on the movement of your chest as it is a thoracic breathing. So keep focusing on the movement of your chest while doing the breathing. And you can close your eyes and keep doing this breathing until you feel tired. Once you feel tired, slowly you come up and we'll do the breath retention. Immediately you inhale completely, hold the breath for 5 seconds and then slowly release and relax yourself. We'll practice one more round of same breathing where you drop your elbows, keep your hips little off the heels, take your tongue under the lower lip, start exhaling continuously 20 to 30 times in one go without inhaling again. Keep doing, focusing on the chest area. Keep practicing, keep doing. Once you feel I'm tired, I can't do more, you can come up. But if you practice regularly, you can increase the count of your breathing in per round. Now we are doing breath retention, holding the breath for 5 seconds. Now we are preparing for the third breathing, which is lion breathing or Simhasana breathing, where you sit like this, where the knees are stretched out, sitting on the heels are together, fingers facing inward, and you inhale, and as you exhale, stretch your tongue out and make a sound like a lion. Breathe in. Continue. Make sure you are making a sound from the throat, not from the voice box. The throat sound should come while you're doing this breathing. Stretch up to 10 to 12 rounds in one go. Whenever you're done, come back, slowly sit back to Vajrasana and massage your throat by swallowing your saliva. And then after this we'll do the breath retention. Slowly breathe in and hold the breath for 5 seconds. And slowly start releasing and relax yourself.